Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7. That's the 184 BHS travel trailer we got here today. You're going to have a Murphy bed up front, dinette there on a slide, 2 double over bunks there in the rear of the coach. You're going to be coming in here at a dry weight of 4,200 pounds, GVWR 5,500, so any mid-size SUV owner, smaller truck owners, perfect coach there for you. Also going to have a big outdoor kitchen on it, awning, fully lit awning there, and that's about it. Hi, it's Nathan Anderson over here at RV Wholesalers. I'm going to be showing you the 184 BHS Catalina Summit Series 7. I'm going to start over here at the nose of the coach, going to hit on a few things. Giant pass-through storage underneath here, and kind of one little thing that separates it. It's going to be fully enclosed on the pass-through storage. Some models you're going to have a gap here to where your bed will fall into, anything like that. This saves fumes, getting sealed off. You can store whatever in there and it's not going to come through the nose of the camper while you guys are sleeping and be able to smell it. Walk over here. Going to hit propane tanks, easy to reach, not going to have a cover or anything, so it's just going to pop right off. And then I will hit real quick, you guys do have a power tongue jack. Older couples, younger people, resale value is a huge thing. People don't want to crank on them no more. You guys can simply just press a button and run it up and down. Alright guys, here on the back of the coach here, I'm going to hit on the rear kitchen here for a little bit. Complete there with a leash link if you guys are cooking with pets or whatnot. Going to be a nice little D-ring there to attach your dog leash to. Big cabinet here, storage for whatever you guys want, cooking utensils, supplies, condiments, whatnot. You're going to have a water hose there that's going to connect in your water port, be able to spray out bigger pots and pans that don't fit in the sink. Also going to have your guys' LP Quick Connect line. That's going to hook there at the bottom there on your LP Quick Connect up to your guys' griddle over here. Also going to have a bottle opener. Got the griddle pulled out for you guys. That's going to be like a cold roll steel cooking surface equivalent to like a Blackstone. A lot of people are familiar with those. And then I will come over here guys and show you guys the mini fridge. Perfect place. Grilling accessories, drinks, whatever you guys need for your camping trip. Alright, back at the camper now guys. Backup camera prep. It's made for the Furion. We have them in the parts store. A complete plug and play observation camera, so it's going to stay on 24/7, just not when you guys are backing up. That way you can be a little defensive, see if someone's running up on you or anything crazy like that. Spare tire, complete with the cover. Keep it from the sun cracking your tires and aging them super quick, so we'll have that cover on for you guys. All of your water heater to light, override, everything will be, all your water heater controls will be in the rear of this. This is where your blue spray port hose will be. It's going to connect to that. That's going to be your fresh water fitting. Spray out pots, pans, dog leash right there. You guys can spray off your dog, muddy dog, before it goes in the camper for the night. Alrighty, here on the other side of the coach here, you're going to find city water connection, where you guys will obviously hook up your water there. Black tank flush, kind of a big thing on a lot of units. It's going to be simply just a female connection for a garden hose. It's going to spray out that black tank and keep it all nice and clean and smell free. Of course, it's going to be your guys' plug-in there for the camper, shore power, all of your black tank dumps, everything like that. And then of course over here, you guys will have your cable and satellite hookup, along with a bumper end that pops out so you guys can store your sewage hose. Alrighty guys, inside the coach now, of course at the tongue of that you're going to find a Murphy bed. That's going to be complete with storage completely underneath it. That's separate from the pass-through storage, so you guys can throw stuff in there without it contaminating anything there in the pass-through. A little theater seat kind of option here. It's going to fold down the cup holders. That's going to be nice when you guys are kind of relaxing, watching TV. Storage above, I will hit on that. And then of course you guys do have the mushroom lights. So you can click which one that you guys want to come on with the lights. Over here at the control section side of things here guys, I'm going to find your guys' radio. You will be able to adjust which zones, those speakers, the 2 exterior speakers, or you can do all 3. Both zones play inside and outside of course on that with Bluetooth. You're going to find all of your controls here for the awning, the water heater, all of your interior, exterior lights. And the cool thing, you guys can just press these little buttons and see how full your guys' tanks are. Slide out room here is going to be in and out here on that switch. And that's really about it. To the kitchen side of things over here, guys, we'll first hit on the sink cover. Putting the sink cover when you guys are not using the sink is going to add for a lot more counter space. Also, you guys are going to have a range there complete with your LED light strip, along with a working vent fan here. Suburban gas top grill. You're going to have a 2 cook burner here. Microwave will be underneath, and what you guys see right there will be your guys' furnace. Also going to have your 12-volt fridge over here. Over here on the dinette side of things here, guys, you guys are going to have a full-size dinette, really good size here for this size of coach. And table is also going to drop down, hold flat on these pedestals here. These couch cushions move on top of it. And of course, you guys have another bed. Over here, I will hit on the TV backer, complete with your guys' cable connections here with your 110 plug. TV backer is essentially going to be a big stud for you guys to put any kind of TV mount you want on it. I prefer one of the ones that pull out and swivel. That way you guys can see it from the Murphy bed and from here if you guys are kind of just laying around. Here on the bunk side of things here, guys, double over double bunks. These are pretty long. I believe they're going to fit a 6'2" person sleeping long ways on it. So if you guys are tall, you're going to be able to utilize it. Complete with the mushroom lights here, control if you guys want to come on with the main lights. 110 outlets over here you guys can charge your phones and accessories. And then I will hit underneath here in your guys' storage underneath. That's big enough for like a storage container, shoes, whatever you guys want. Alrighty here, guys, stepping into the bathroom here on this coach. You guys are going to see there a toilet placement. It's going to be big. You guys don't have to open the door to swing your legs out. Perfect placement for bigger people. Medicine cabinet, complete there with your sink. Medicine cabinet does open and is pretty deep storage. Swinging over here to the shower here, guys. We'll hit on it's pretty decently tall for you taller guys and don't have to worry about hitting your head on it. Again, guys, my name is Nathan Anderson. I do appreciate your time here today to be able to watch this 184 BHS Catalina Summit Series 7. I do have a team over here. It's Team Anderson. We can be found on extension 172. That'll ring directly to me, or my team's line is 937-649-5823.